Welcome back sa Math Husay General Math Tutorial. Sa videong ito, pag-aaralan natin ang logarithmic function. Let's start! In the previous lesson, napag-aralan natin ang exponential function. At ang function na y equals 2 raised to x ay isang increasing function. Ibig sabihin nito na ang function na y equals 2 raised to x ay isang one-to-one function at mayroon itong inverse function. Ang graph ng function na y equals 2 raised to x ay ganito. At ang inverse naman nito ay ang x equals 2 raised to y. Take note that the function y equals 2 raised to x and every exponential function of the form y equals b raised to x has a corresponding inverse function called logarithmic function. So, ibig sabihin nito na yung inverse ng exponential function ay tinatawag nating logarithmic function. In the inverse function, x is equal to 2 raised to y, yung y, kung nakikita nyo yung exponent na yan, is the power to which we raise to get x. At yung exponent na yan ay tinatawag nating logarithm. Ibig sabihin, ang konsepto ng logarithmic function ay hinahanap natin yung value ng y na kung saan kapag ang base 2 ay may exponent na y, dapat ang result ay x. The equivalent logarithmic function of y equals 2 raised to x is y equals logarithm of x to the base 2. So, ang pagbasa natin sa function na ito ay y equals logarithm of x to the base 2. This time, let's formally define logarithmic function. Ang logarithmic function is a function defined by y equals logarithm of x to the base b if and only if x is equal to b raised to y. For all positive real numbers x and b must not be equal to 1. Take note na ang y equals logarithm of x to the base b, ito yung logarithmic form. Samantalang yung exponential form nito ay x is equal to b raised to y. Kapag pinag-uusapan natin ang logarithmic function, may mga dapat tayong tandaan. Una, ang logarithmic function at ang exponential function are inverses of each other. Pangalawa, in the logarithmic form, log of x to the base b, yung x natin cannot be negative. And lastly, the value of log of x to the base b can be negative. So, tandaan natin yan. Yung x hindi pwedeng maging negative, pero yung log of x to the base b ay pwedeng maging negative. Now that we know what logarithmic function is, let's start rewriting exponential form into logarithmic form. Paano ba natin kino-convert ang isang exponential form or equation into logarithmic equation? So, let's take this example. Meron tayong exponential equation na 2 raised to x equals 3. Now, how do we rewrite this into logarithmic form? Usually, nire-rewrite natin ang isang exponential equation into logarithmic form to find the value of x. In this case kasi, mahirap isolve ang value ng x kasi magkaiba yung ating base. So, we will rewrite this into logarithmic equation. So, to rewrite this, we have log of 3 to the base 2 equals x. Ano ba yung rule sa pag-rewrite ng exponential form into logarithmic form? Tandaan natin na ang exponential equation of the form b raised to x equals n can be written in its equivalent logarithmic form, log of n to the base b equals x. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, kung meron tayong exponential form, yung ating b is the base, and yung ating exponent is yung x. So, kung i-rewrite natin siya into logarithmic form, we will have log of n to the base b, yung base natin, which is equal to the exponent. Para maintindihan kung paano tinatransform ang isang exponential equation into logarithmic equation, let's have these examples. So, we have 2 raised to 5 equals 32. So, pwede natin to siyang i-rewrite into logarithmic form as log of 32 to the base 2 equals 5. Take note, yung base natin is 2, yung exponent is 5. Kaya, log of 32 to the base 2 equals 5. Let's have another example. 5 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Alam natin yan, right? So, if you rewrite this into logarithmic form, you'll have, dahil ang base is 5 and yung exponent ay 0, so we have log of 1 to the base 5 is equal to 0. Actually, kapag meron tayong log of 1 of any base, it will always be equal to 0. Kasi nga, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. How about this exponential equation? 25 raised to 1/2 equals 5. Sa exponential equation na ito, ang base natin is 25, yung exponent naman is 1/2. So kapag i-rewrite natin siya into logarithmic form, so we have log of 5 to the base 25 equals 1/2. Claro. Let's try another example. 10 cubed equals 1,000. So kapag i-rewrite natin siya into logarithmic form, since the base is 10 and the exponent is 3, so you'll have log of 1,000 to the base 10 equals 3. Usually, yung mga logarithmic equation na may base na 10 ay tinatawag nating common logarithm. How about kung yung base naman natin ay e o Euler's number? So, if we have e squared equals x, yung e natin is Euler number yan ha, that's 2.71. So, how do we rewrite this one into logarithmic form? So, since the base is e and the exponent is 2, so we have log of x to the base e equals 2. So, usually, dahil ang base natin ay e, tinatawag natin itong natural logarithm. So, instead of rewriting it in this way, na log of x to the base e equals 2, nire-rewrite natin siya into natural log of x equals 2. So, pag meron tayong nakitang ln, ibig sabihin niyan natural log. So, understood na yung base niyan ay e o Euler's number. So, in general, common logarithms are logarithms with the base 10, gaya ng sinabi ko. So, yung logarithm of 1,000 to the base 10 equals 3 ay pwede na lang nating i-write as log 1,000 equals 3. Kasi understood na kapag common logarithm, yung base niya is 10. Now, yung natural logarithms naman are logarithms with the base e, such as log of 100 to the base e. So, instead of rewriting it in this way, nire-write na lang natin siya as ln o natural log of 100. Kasi nga, as I said a while ago, pag may ln, understood na yan na natural log at yung base niya is yung Euler's number. Klaro? Now, marunong na tayong mag-transform ng exponential equation into logarithmic equation. Let's try naman na i-rewrite yung logarithmic form into exponential form. So let's have example number 2. Write each logarithmic equation into exponential form. Letter A, log of x to the base 5 equals 4. So kung mapapansin niyo, yung 5 natin dito is the base and yung ating 4 is the exponent. So kapag i-rewrite natin to siya into exponential form, you'll have 5 raised to 4 equals x. Let's try another example. Log of 64 to the base 2 is equal to 6. So, tignan natin na yung base is 2, yung ating magiging exponent ay dapat 6. So, 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. Ito yung exponential form ng log of 64 to the base 2 equals 6. Kasi nga, 2 raised to 6 is just 64. So, tama yung ating sagot. Let's take this last example. Log of 1/8 to the base 2 equals negative 3. So, in this case, yung base natin is 2. Yung magiging exponent natin ay negative 3. So, yung exponential form nito ay 2 raised to negative 3 equals 1/8. Klaro? Ngayong malinaw na sa atin kung ano ang logarithmic function at kung paano mag-rewrite ng exponential form to logarithmic form and vice versa, let's try these exercises. For letter A, you have to rewrite the following exponential equations into logarithmic equations. For letter B naman, you will do the other way around. If you're done, share your answer in the comment section. Tandaan, ang sikreto para maging mahusay, matuto at mag-ensayo. Huwag kalimutang i-like, share at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Kita-kits sa susunod na lesson. Bye!